Provider are full student council, father, sister, Vijaya teacher, and Anjina teacher towards the national flag post on the beat of the school band.
Squad, done!
Thank you, Student Council. I now request Master Jatin Gupta and his proud parents along with our principal to hoist our national flag.
Start. Salute.
And his parents to the stage near school office, while the others will follow the instruction of the teacher.
independence story depicted by the pre-primary in a beautiful musical format. A tribute to the father of the nation and other freedom fighters as we celebrate our 78th Independence Day.
From around the world wanted to do business with us, including the Britishers. Came for business but stayed for a bit too long, for almost 200 years. गुलामी में बदल गए ये समझने में हमें लगभग 100 साल लग गए और फिर अगले 100 साल तक चली आजादी की लड़ाई। Strong leaders like Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose, and many more. And on the other side, this man was later called the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, started alone and was joined by masses on his non-violent fight to gain freedom.
मेरे आबाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू। मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू। मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से। तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से। पहुंचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू। पहुंचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। तुझपे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ। तुझपे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ। कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू। कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू। मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू। मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
Good morning, respected manager, Reverend Father Patrick de Mello, Principal, Reverend Sister Philomena Sequeira, Supervisor, Ms. Angina de Silva, Primary HM, Teaching and non-teaching faculty, parishioners, parents, and my fellow religions. Let me pause at the very onset to extend my gratitude to the members of this esteemed institution present out here for bestowing upon me the honor to address such an august gathering. If I am standing here in front of you, it all thanks to God, my parents, my family, my principal, and my teachers' encouragement and involvement in my life and my journey in school. This journey of standing tall and achieving this milestone was a dream I had when I was in the 6th standard. It was then itself I made up my mind to be the top scorer and achieve this goal and make my parents, my school, and everyone proud of me. Well, the journey to be present out here was a journey in itself. I was so blessed by God with His gift of my hard work being crowned with success and my parents' prayers being answered by God. Well, my hard work really paid off. My parents and my teachers believed and the confidence they had in me motivated me. My teachers were there for me and were available to lend me a helping hand at every part of this journey. They were so close on track, seeing that I didn't distract from my target and my goal of my name on the board was there to attract. My parents are my pillars of strength that I can lean on. They left no stone unturned looking after every need of mine. Their presence and guidance motivated me to give it my best shot to achieve this dream. Because this dream of mine has become my family's dream too, hence I took it upon myself further to make this dream a reality, because it was now my moral duty towards all those who believed in me. My friends too played a responsible role in helping me achieve this goal. They were there when I needed them the most and contributed by respecting my decisions if I didn't hang around with them because of the commitment I had made to myself of achieving the highest score, which they were well known. My friends, anything in life is not like a Maggie in 2 minutes. That too takes more than 2 minutes in preparation if you want to taste it awesome, present it and garnish it well. If you want to achieve something, then you have to have your own POA, that is your own plan of action. You need to have a vision, a dream that then becomes a reality. And all this is achieved through hard work, commitment and dedication. If you want to achieve something, then you have to let go of anything that takes you away from achieving your dream. And like the wise men would say, what we see today was a dream in someone's mind in the past, but it's achieved by you in the present. A perfect plan can be executed and achieved by showing consistency in your performance, taking small steps towards your goals, and without compromising on your hard work will certainly help you achieve your goal. Today, as we celebrate a momentous occasion, our country's 78th Independence Day, this day marks the triumph of freedom over oppression, of courage over fear, and of unity over division. It was our leaders' dream to gain independence who sacrificed their lives for our freedom. Their dream has become a reality only because of their hard work and sacrifices that went on to achieve it. Let us also recognize their struggles and continue to strive for a better life as we celebrate our independence. Let us strive for excellence in all that we do. And so today I consider myself blessed to have the honor to hoist the flag of our country on this auspicious day. It's a dream come true, it's a goal well achieved, and it's definitely a proud moment for my parents, my family and me to have this honor. And so I would like to end my speech by imparting a word of friendly advice to you, my friends. Remember, what you hold in your head is what you hold in your hands, and what you hold in your hands is what you hold a desire in your heart. I repeat, what you hold in your hands is what you hold in your heart. And so on this note, so work hard and say a prayer before you start the study of the day. And be sure that success will always come your way. All the best and happy Independence Day to us all. And a happy feast of Hallelujah Assumption to my Catholic friends. Thank you.
सुजलां सुफलां मलयजशीतलां सस्यश्यामलां वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयजशीतलां सस्यश्यामलां वन्दे